This is the new Huion Kamvas 13. Adopt a Pen Tech 3.0. The new digital pen can mimic the feel of working with a traditional pen or brush. It also boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and 256 pps report rate, which can capture every inspiration instantly and naturally. Tilt support makes different drawing techniques possible. Anti-glare screen protector together with 120% sRGB color Gamut brings clear and vivid image. It is a perfect partner for both indoor and outdoor creation. Connectivity with Android devices allows you to synchronize your drawing through painting apps like Huion Sketch. Conversion between pen display and pen tablet can fit different needs. Because of full lamination technology, the pen display goes thinner and thinner to 11.8 millimeters. And with USB-C, charge and transmission becomes simpler. This is the new Huion Kamvas 13 pen display.